Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Daisy's Kitchen. Today I am going to make this super simple, easy recipe, chicken green curry. So here I have some green eggplants. You can use any type of eggplant. I have coconut milk, of course, my chicken thigh part, and the green curry paste. You can buy this in any store. So we have to cut our chicken into bite size. I like using chicken thigh part. It just gives so much flavor and texture. So we'll just have to cut it like this. And then we'll season this with fish sauce and some pepper. Just have to mix this and leave it for about 10 minutes. Set aside. So while doing that, we can prepare our veggies. So here we have to cut our eggplant just like this. So my eggplant is a little bit brown seeds in it, so I don't like that. So I'm going to remove it. It's up to you if you want to leave it, but I don't like the seeds. If it's young, very young, it's okay. So here it is. So we have to start with our garlic. We just have to smash it and just have to coarsely chop it. Our onion. And then we can start cooking. So I have some oil there. Once it's hot, you can put your garlic. We'll cook this for about 30 seconds. And then we can put our onions. Just cook it for a bit. And then we can put our curry paste. I will put about 1.5 tablespoons, depending on how spicy you want it to be. But 1.5 is pretty good. It's a little bit spicy. I want mine spicy. So we'll cook this for about 1 minute. Just keep mixing it so it won't get burned. And then we can put our chicken. So that mix it, make sure that the paste is all over your chicken, and your chicken cube seasoning, just 1/3, some pepper, and then we can put our half of our coconut milk. So we'll give this a toss. And we'll cover this for about 2 minutes. This is very simple, just so easy. Cover it. After 2 minutes, we can put the remaining of our coconut milk and some water, about 1/3 cup of water. So from this moment, we don't want to cover this. We'll just put it in low heat. So we put half teaspoon of sugar. And then we can put our vegetable, the eggplant. So we'll just mix this uncovered. We'll let it cook for 1 minute. So we'll cook this for 1 minute uncovered. And then we can put our basil leaves. So let's just submerge our green leaves. we'll just taste this. And then once this is okay, we can serve this with super yummy hot rice. So guys, this is my chicken curry. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.